Hey guys, Murisei Makadini. Welcome back to Shona, and today I'll be teaching you the letter D from the Shona alphabet. I'll be combining this letter D with the Shona vowels, and I'll also teach you how to properly pronounce them, and I'll give you some sample words and translation so that you can properly understand what we'll be doing. Okay, so let's do this. So just as a recap, we told you that the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the letters, or the vowels are basically the letters that determine how you pronounce the different words in Shona. So just as a recap, the vowels, we've got a, e, o, u. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you letter D, and I'll be combining letter D with the Shona vowels. So without wasting much time, let me get to it. So when you combine letter D with the vowel A, it's da. Da. When you combine it with A, it's de. De. When you combine with I, it's D. D. When you combine it with O, it's do. Do. When you combine it with U, it's do. Do. Okay, so let me give you the example words so that we can actually properly learn the pronunciation using an actual word. So sorry for that. So for da, we've got the word danda. Danda. So danda in English, it's a log. Log. So it's Shona danda. Danda. So I think you can feel how the R is determining how you pronounce it. So when we go to de, the Shona word is denga. 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 Denga in English, it's sky. Sky. And when you go to D, we've got the Shona word dira. Dira. And dira in English, it's pour, like pouring a drink, pouring some wine, pouring water, pouring. So it's dira. For do, we've got dombo. Dombo. The English translation is rock. Dombo. Dombo. For do, we've got dumbu. Dumbu. And the English translation is stomach. So for da, we've got danda. For de, we've got denga. For di, we've got dira. For do, we've got dombo. For do, we've got dumbu. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll be going to the letter F. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.